Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you need to create the keyword file. This is the folder that you will get once upon unzipping your files, and you don't need to touch any other file except this keyword file. This file is divided into 6 sections and each section is separated with a comma. Let me introduce all the sections one by one. First section of this file is the keyword section. Here up to here, first section is the keyword, then we have comma, then we have website URL, then comma, then number of visits required on this website, right? Then we have again a comma, then number of internal links. Once the bot reaches the main website, you need to specify how many internal links the bot will make clicks. And if this is your website, your own website, then you would like to make at least 2, 3, 4, 5. You can specify any number, but I recommend only 3 to 4 is good enough. So reduce the bounce rate of a website. And if it is not your, then you can just pick 0 there, like this. Here I have 0 or just 1. If you have just 0, then bot will go to this site, make a visit and come back, right? Then we have time. Time is in second. This time signifies that the how much time bot will stay on your website. Like 10 to 17 seconds. It will stay randomly between time 10 to 17 seconds, and you can specify separate timings for every website that you have in this list. Then we have a comma, and last section is bot pauses searching for in minutes. This last section is for bot will stop searching and stay there for time you specified here. Like I have 2 here is in minutes, and if you want bot to stay idle for 5 minutes, then bot will stay and don't move to next keyword till 5-minute time is elapsed, right? This is the format that you need to create in your keyword file, and that's it. This is the keyword file creation section. Let me introduce one more thing, that if you have sometime you might experience that bot is not clicking your internal links. This happens because the URL of internal link don't have the root domain name. For this we can create a separate file for having our website's internal links, and let me show you how you need to create that file. Like suppose WikiHow is my website, and I want to make internal pages, and I have list of those pages. Now what I will do, I will create a file, text file, and name it just WikiHow, the root domain, and copy and paste the internal links of the websites. Like I have already added about 5 to 6, 7 internal pages, and bot will randomly pick internal links of WikiHow from this text file instead of internal codes. If it finds internal pages of your website within the hard-coded codes, then no problem, but if it fails, then it will move and pick internal links from the file that you created for your internal links, right? Suppose we have 3 internal links to be clicked on the website. If bot found those internal links on the website automatically, then it will do it. If it don't, then it will move to this file and pick the internal links from here, right? I hope this is a very good feature that we included, and some of you asked me to include this feature, so I am adding this. I hope you will like. Now you just need to save it and close it.